mandated to distribute the gazetted copies of the Tax Reform Act signed by Mr. President to every senator today. I think there are about 4 acts. 4 acts. So the 4 acts are ready and gazetted and signed by the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and certified by the Clerk of the National Assembly to avoid confusion. So every senator is expected to go home with one today. And then those who are not here will distribute them directly to the senators. This act should not be given to any other person. It must be given by the Clerk of the Senate and certified by the Clerk of the National Assembly to avoid any confusion. So you take it directly from us and you check, because I understand that there are some other, there's another version that was circulating around, which was not in compliance with what were contained in our votes of proceedings, and also. So this has taken cognizance of what happened in the House, in the votes and proceedings, what happened in the Senate, and also what happens in the committee on harmonization, and signed by Mr. President, but further certified by the Clerk of National Assembly. So you study this. I wish Senator Ningi was here. So you study this. This is the one you refer to. Where is Senator Ningi? Senator Ningi? Okay. Senator Ningi, did you hear what I said? Senator Karimi, we are waiting for him to get to his seat where he can speak from. That's Senator Lao's seat. Senator Ningi's seat is the next one. He should not attract you to ADC. Sorry. I mean, speak from your seat. Yes, I was saying that copies of this will be made available to all senators, certified by the Clerk of the National Assembly, the 4 copies of the acts. And this is totally in compliance with what happened in the 2 chambers. No adulteration, nothing. So, I mean, at this stage now, you can feel bold enough to discard anything that is to the contrary, knowing that it is not what the President signed and it does not represent what you passed. So, Clerk, go ahead. Having exhausted today's proceedings, I invite the Senate leader to move a motion for adjournment.
Perché io sto mai stupido.
Leader.